In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Rightmove, a go-to resource for finding your next home in the UK. From exploring fresh listings to setting up alerts, let's dive right into how to simplify your home search. First, we start by opening your web browser and heading to the Rightmove website. This platform is one of the UK's most popular real estate portals, offering a multitude of properties for sale and rent. Once you're there, look for the New Homes for Sale section, which allows you to explore the latest listings on the market. Next, it's time to think about where you're interested in living. In the search bar, type your desired location. For example, if you're considering moving to London, simply enter London into the search box. From there, click on the For Sale button. This will bring up a range of available properties in the area you've chosen, tailored to purchase rather than rent. Now, an important aspect of your search is narrowing down the specific type of property you're interested in. On Rightmove, you can easily select your preferred property type, whether you're looking for a detached house, flat, or bungalow, ensuring the results match your criteria. Another handy feature is the option to filter properties by how recently they were added to the website. This way, you're always catching the freshest listings first. Additionally, you can specify how many bedrooms you're looking for. Suppose you're interested in a 3-bedroom home. Just select the number 3 from the bedroom options provided. At this point, another useful step is to click on No Max for the bedroom count if you've specific preferences on the number of rooms. It's a flexible option that helps tailor results to your unique needs. Once you've set all these parameters, go ahead and click on Search Properties. This action will generate a filtered list of properties that match all the criteria you've set. Now, to stay consistently updated with new listings that fit your preferences, you'll want to create an alert. You can do this by clicking on Create Alert and choosing the frequency at which you'd like to receive updates. Selecting the Instantly option means you'll get notifications immediately whenever a new property that fits your criteria is listed. If you'd like to manage your alerts further, simply navigate to the My Rightmove section on the site. There, under Searches and Alerts, you can tweak the alert options according to your schedule and frequency preference. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to keep any changes you've made. And there you have it. A straightforward way to customize your Rightmove experience, keeping you informed about the best property options out there. Thanks for tuning in, and happy house hunting!